Hi, my name is Jamie Snyder and I would like to discuss Zoom In. So here we would put the link on the daily agenda so our students could access it very easily. And once the students get into Zoom In, it would be useful to give them background information whenever we're starting a new time period. So for example, in this coming semester, we will be looking at the 1920s because we're going to start to read The Great Gatsby. So here you can see the fifth hour code and the lesson, Bulletproof, Organized Crime and Prohibition. The standards include 1.1.C for the students because they would be using technology to improve their education, and 3.1.B for leaders because we're giving students access to technology to increase their opportunities. It's pretty accessible, it's online, and it's free. Here's the link, here's how the page looks. It's pretty intuitive. I created a class for fifth hour and for sixth hour pretty quickly. And here are the references. Standards for leaders, standards for students, and the Zoom. So let's take a look. Here we have it. I already logged in, so it should be pretty quick. So here are the two classes I created, fifth and sixth hour. And here is the lesson that I linked already. Let's check it out. So you could see that they want to talk about prohibition, and there's a hook about cheating. Then there are a whole bunch of documents with historical context, and I liked this cartoon. So you could see how people were viewing things at that time and discuss it with the students, and how do they react to it, what do they notice, what are their thoughts and feelings. I really like that. Let's go back. And then there's a writing. They want a 3-paragraph essay. I think we would change that for our needs, but all the way up until step 5, I really liked what they have, and it's pretty much all ready to go. They have words here. We could do some pre-teaching with that too. It would be, this would probably be good stuff to do for our bell work while we're taking care of the attendance and getting students ready to get started. I could show you how quick it is to add. Alright, so this one doesn't have it. I could add it so quickly. Boom, boom, boom. And now we're good. It's there. Thank you.